Hey, what's up guys, this is Dhritiman here from Creative Creator. So today in this video I will show you how you can see your uploads and download speeds in your taskbar. And by the way, thanks for giving me 4K subscribers today. So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump into the video. So for this trick, you have to download a exe file. So it is available in 32 and 64 both bits. So as my computer supports 64 bits, so I am just downloading 64 bit one. So all the links of 32 bits and 64 bits are given in the description box below. Go there, check it out, and downloads links are available. So it is a file of 64 bits. So if you think that if you double click on it and install it, you are wrong. You have to watch the full video till the end because it will not install in your Windows 10 computer. So what you have to do is you have to just go to its properties. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the right clicking on it and then going to the properties option. Then I have to go to the compatibility option. Then you have to check the box of the previous version of the Windows. So and after that you have to select apply or OK. So after that you have to go to the next, and traditional you have to go to the installation of any software or anything like that. You can see it is installing. After installing done, there will be a pop-up message which will come to you, and you have to select OK for that. And after that you have to select your language. As I prefer English, so I am giving the English. And after that there are three options were given to you, so check which option is for you. In my case it is the second option. So firstly I have selected the first option. Then you can see there is no data is there. So what I have to do, I have to configure it and I have to change it to the second option. After changing it to the second option, you can see the data is showing how much data I am consuming. So it means that it is working perfectly right now. So now there are many things which in that I don't like, so I have to make it more professional. For making it professional, so I am just going to the configuration option and then precision option to 0.000, and then after that the bitrate option I will set it to KB per second, but no one use KIB per second, so you can use MB per second also. After that the layout option, if there is a font which we like is the HP simplified. If you have a HP laptop or computer, then you will get the option. After that the width will be 4. So after that you can see the letters are showing right, but what I will do is I will make it get the symbols of the downloads and uploads, so it will be more professional. So I will go to the layout option, and after that there will be a D colon, so I will delete it, and after that I will press for the upload, so the upper arrow, and downloads for the down arrow. So I will do the same for the second one also. So I am going to that option and then copying it and then pasting it and then OK. For more, you can also adjust the tick on the bold settings, and you can see the fonts will be bolded and it will look more professional. So guys, that's pretty much enough for this video. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Dhritiman signing out. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.